Hello, dear students. Welcome to day 30 of our daily 5 study question series. आज हम द रिप्रोडक्शन चैप्टर के वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करेंगे जो बोर्ड एग्जाम में डायरेक्टली पूछे जाते हैं. हम डेली वही 5 क्वेश्चंस करते हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. 5 क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम द चैप्टर द ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 is the diagram shown below shows a developmental stage of human embryo. Answer the following questions with reference to it. इसके रेफरेंस में ही हमें जो है आंसर करना है. A is identify and name the human embryonic stage shown. बेटा ये कौन सी स्टेज शो हो रही है? ये स्टेज शो हो रही है इट इज अ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. कैसे पता चल रहा है हमें? ये ब्लास्टो जो कैविटी होती है ब्लास्टोसील ये बन जाती है इसमें, राइट. Now, P part mention its exact location in the normal pregnancy of the woman. It becomes embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. And C part write one function of each of the two parts label X and Y. बच्चा X क्या है? Trophoblast है. It forms the foetal part of the placenta. And Y है inner cell mass. Becomes differentiated as the embryo. Now, beta, question number 2 is what stimulates the pituitary to release the hormone responsible for parturition? Name the hormone. So, beta, the fetal ejection reflex stimulate the release of hormone for parturition. And name the hormone. Oxytocin is the name of the hormone. Now, define lactation. Lactation is a process of feeding the newborn baby with the milk secreted by the mammary gland. Now, question number 3 is differentiate between primary and secondary follicle. Primary और secondary follicle में हमें जो है difference बताना है. तो बेटा पहले primary follicle is a structure that is formed when the primary oocyte is surrounded by a layer of granulosa cell. And secondary follicle, when the primary follicle becomes surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells and a thicker layer, it is called secondary follicle. Right? Second difference हो गया बेटा. Many primary follicles degenerate before puberty. और secondary follicle में there is no degeneration of secondary follicle. Now, yes, question number 4 is what is colostrum and why is it essential for the newborn babies? Beta, colostrum is the milk secreted by maternal mammary glands during the initial few days of lactation following parturition. Parturition के बाद जो initial days में जो milk production होता है that is known as colostrum. And colostrum contain several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance in the newborn babies. और colostrum के अंदर कुछ जो है antibodies होती है जो न्यूबॉर्न बेबीज के लिए एसेंशियल है क्या डेवलप करने के लिए? इम्यून सिस्टम को डेवलप करने के लिए, राइट. नाउ द टुडेज लास्ट क्वेश्चन bring out the difference between secondary and tertiary follicle. तो secondary follicle, when the primary follicle containing the primary oocytes becomes surrounded by more layers of granulosa and a thicker layer, it is called secondary follicle, right. And when a fluid filled cavity develops around the oocyte in the secondary follicle, it is called tertiary follicle. Now, second difference is the oocyte shows little growth, and tertiary follicle, the oocyte shows grow in size and undergo meiosis 1. तो बेटा आज के क्वेश्चंस बहुत ही हमारे छोटे छोटे से क्वेश्चंस थे, तो हमारा इजीली ग्रेड 30 भी कंप्लीट हो गए. तो आज के जो कॉन्सेप्ट है उनको रिवाइज करना मत भूलिए. कल मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक यू.